And this is where things can go horribly wrong. I really wish I did not do that.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So if I look a bit weird today, it's because I do not have any eye makeup on as of yet, but we're gonna change that right now. I've seen a trend going around. I think it started on TikTok where people use a random number generator to pick their eyeshadow colors they will use to create a look. So basically they pick a palette, they number all the colors inside of the palette. I'm just writing mine down on a piece of paper. I cut it out. I'm gonna shake a bag, pick a few colors, and then whatever colors I picked I have to create a look with. I hope that makes sense, but I've seen this going around on TikTok and some YouTubers picked up on it as well, and I want in. So I have two palettes that I can pick from. The first one is the Surf X Revolution palette, which is my all-time favorite. It looks like this on the inside. I really like the colors. I don't have a problem with anything about it, but I want to spice things up. Although that is my favorite palette, I think we need a real challenge. I think I need a real challenge in my makeup world. So I picked the Beauty Treats Color Obsession eyeshadow booklet. It looks like this. So this is really going to be a challenge, guys. I mean, there is 56 colors in here. I don't feel comfortable with all of them. I don't want shimmers in my crease. This can go horribly wrong. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna challenge myself, and maybe I could actually do something with this. So let's get to it. So just so you guys have an idea, this is what we're left with. This is all the colors we have. That's all the matte colors, and that's all the shimmer colors. 56 colors, guys. This is crazy. So usually what I do is I pick 4 matte shades and like 1 to 2 shimmer shades to create a look. So I'm thinking about just drawing 5 numbers in total, and hopefully we don't get all shimmer because that's gonna be horrible to start off with. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna go for it. The first one is 23. I have no idea what this is. We're gonna check now. The second number we have is 28. Okay. I need a shimmer. I'm pretty sure that is not shimmer colors yet. 39. I'm pretty sure that's a shimmer because I know I have 28 matte and 28 shimmers. So 30, what did I say? 39. We need 2 more colors, guys, to make this look. 20. Okay, we have 20. I have no idea what this could be. And then the last one, I'm feeling this one. 5. So that is our 5 colors we're gonna work with. Let's go and see which colors it gave me. I am anxious. I don't know what to expect, but we're gonna make this work. It looks good, as I think we only have 1 shimmer. So thank goodness for that, but let's go. So I have you guys here again. I have not counted the shades at all, so you're gonna see how this is gonna go. So the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have mauve over there, which I really like. We're gonna place that on top of it. So the next color we have is 20. So we have 7, 14, 21. So that's gonna be 20. Buttermilk. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know about that one. Then we have 23, which is 21, 22, 23. We have scarlet. I really love scarlet. So we have like a reddish pink color as well. In 28, I think it's the end of the matte colors. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. We have peach. So then for our shimmer shade, which is 39, it is sunlight over here. I really hope I counted right with all of this. So that is what we're gonna work with. We have mauve, we have scarlet, we have buttermilk, peach, and we have sunlight. I don't think that's a bad selection. I really don't know about those two, especially the buttermilk one, but we'll see. Let's go decide what we're gonna do with this. Okay, I'm just gonna have my Surf X Revolution palette here so I can actually see what I'm doing. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the crease. I'm gonna try and make a transition color out of what I have. So I'm gonna go with our color 20, which is the buttermilk color. Go into the crease with that, and then with peach just to diffuse the lines of that buttermilk color. And then we'll go into mauve and scarlet, which is basically some of my favorite shades in this palette. So I'm very, I don't know what my eye just did. It's so I'm very excited to see that. Also, my dog got her teeth on my brush. That is why it looks the way it does. So I'm gonna pick up some product of the buttermilk color. I don't know if you guys can see, it is this orangey yellowish tone. And I'm gonna shake off the excess of that. So then I'm just gonna take that color and I'm going to my crease and see if we can make magic happen with buttermilk. I'm pretty sure I've never used buttermilk in this palette, but who knows, maybe it's actually a great color. So just basically a tip for you guys, if you are not comfortable with putting on eyeshadow, it took me quite a while to get where I'm at now, and I'm still not brilliant at it. I still struggle. So, but the things I've heard and what I've implemented in my makeup routine is when you apply in the crease, do it with a very light hand. So in other words, hold your brush at the tip. It's just so much better. It won't apply so harshly because you do not want harsh lines. You want your lines to be diffused pretty nicely. So don't do this. You don't want to poke your eye out. That's not objective here. And just use like wiper motions back and forth the whole time. That should diffuse the most of it. And then if you want, you can also go into circles, like just circle it in that crease. I think this is a good color for my skin tone because it looks like there's just more depth. Also, I have hooded eyes. I don't know if you guys know. So applying eyeshadow is just basically a struggle for me in life because even winged liner, I gave up. I don't do winged liner because I have hooded eyes. I know sometimes it doesn't look like that, but that's because I keep my eyebrows raised my entire day. I never let them down. They're always raised. I think that's why I have all these lines here, which I absolutely hate. But if I just raise my eyes, you guys, just look at this. My eyebrows are raised. You can't see anything. So I keep them raised, which creates an effect that it doesn't look like I have hooded eyes. If you have hooded eyes, comment down below. Do you do this? Is it just me? I saw people on TikTok showing they do it as well and I felt so normal. So let me know down below if you guys keep your eyebrows raised for that reason as well, or for other reasons. If you have hooded eyes, I can emphasize with you. Sympathize, empathize, I don't know the difference, okay? I can one of those two with you. Also, another thing is you don't want to pick up so much product and just go in there with it. Build it up. It will create a smoother eyeshadow look. It won't look as harsh, and it's always better just to build everything up. Foundation, anything you put on, build it up. Don't just go ham with it. So I think that is fine for now. That's the only bit of buttermilk I'm going to put on this side. I'm just going to replicate it on the other side and I'll be back. So the next color I'm going to go in with is this peach color, the one right here. It's not a very bright or pigmented or anything like that. So I'm just going to use that just to diffuse that buttermilk lines and see if we can just make it a more smoother kind of look. Once again, I'm just taking my fluffy brush, dipping it inside of that peach, tapping off the excess, and just diffusing the outside lines of buttermilk. It's not gonna make a big of difference. It's just like that small detail that only you will probably know you did. No one else will ever notice there's another color on your eye. So it looks like this. I don't really know. Like I said, it's that color no one's gonna notice except for you. So I don't know if you guys are gonna see a difference between this eye, the eye that has a peach color on it, and the eye that doesn't. But that's how we're gonna incorporate this color because I'm using all the colors I've chosen. For now, it's looking quite natural. Now I'm deciding what my primary color will be. Will it be mauve or will it be scarlet? I don't know. The choices I have to make in life. It's so hard. Let's see. Do I feel purple? Do I feel pinkish? I feel like I always feel pinkish. No doubt about it. We're gonna go into scarlet next. If you can't remember, scarlet is our number 23. It looks like, okay, don't let it fall. It looks like this. So it's like a pinkish reddish color. Okay, so that is our scarlet color. I'm gonna take my other brush, the one the dog has not bitten yet, and we're gonna just lightly tap in that Tap of the excess. As you can see, look at that. It is quite red. It is a very pigmented color. For this color, I'm literally just gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye, so the outer half here. I would have never chosen anything like buttermilk to go with this color. So that's what we're left with for now, but I think there's something shorting. So I'm gonna take our mauve color. If you can't remember, it's this deep purplish color. And I'm gonna take my fluffy brush again, and I'm gonna dip it in there, tap off the excess. And this is where things can go horribly wrong because I'm taking a chance. I'm gonna take that color and I'm gonna lightly, very lightly, tapping off a lot of excess here. Try and run that through my crease just to create a deeper color so that it doesn't just go from that red to orange. I could have done a sunset look of this, but am I capable of doing that? No. So we're just gonna take mauve and just lightly run it through there. I don't even know if this is gonna make a difference. I really wish I did not do that. I feel like this is probably gonna mess up the whole look. Okay, we're gonna leave that at that. I'm just gonna take some of that scarlet and I'm gonna try and intensify it by taking my finger and applying it, because usually when you use your finger to apply shadows, I have a bit of fallout, okay. Usually when you use your finger to apply shadows, it just comes out so much more intensely. And I am here for that, okay? The next color in our list, don't stress, we're gonna go back to mauve. That's not the only thing I'm gonna use it for. We're gonna go to 39, which is Sunlight. It is this one, that shimmer color right there. And I'm gonna take my finger once again. If you want your shimmers really to be intense, use your fingers. I never ever use brushes to apply my shimmer colors. So I'm just gonna make sure my finger is clean. I'm gonna run that through Sunlight. And we're gonna put it in our inner eyelids. So I apply that on my inner eyelids. It's basically just to make my eyes pop, look bigger, you know, all the illusions. I'm just gonna take this brush, go through Sunlight again, and I'm gonna try and highlight my brow bone. She proceeds to do this after saying she never used a brush with shimmer. So I'm gonna go with mauve and I'm just gonna apply that here under my eyes just to create a more like smoky effect. But also I don't go all the way, I just go to the middle of my eye to create this effect, and I'm just gonna replicate that on the other side. So I'm just gonna go into Sunlight and dip that in my inner corner so that's also a bit highlighted, and just intensify that shimmer again. So I'm just gonna take a bit of that buttermilk again and I'm gonna try and intensify that, so because now we know how the rest looks. So now you can go and intensify your crease color. Usually if I would be applying my eyeshadow in a more normal way, I would actually take another shimmer and just do it between that Sunlight and Scarlet just to blend it together more. So I'll basically use a more pinkish shade to just put between that shimmer and the matte color just to make it more blended, you know. Guys, I am totally going crazy because I just shot an outro and I literally was just about to finish my TikTok and I remembered you did not put on mascara. How? Okay, so I'm really gonna do that and then I'll show you the finished look again when it's officially finished. But this is the finished look. Message. This is the finished look. What do you guys think of it? I'm just gonna give you a little close-up and then you can see how messy my job is. I'm not a makeup artist, so please don't judge me. Is this even in focus? I don't want to look into viewfinder and look like an idiot. What do you guys think? Is that well done? Is that bad? Is that good? I must say I'm happy with it. Not the color choices I would have made in my life, but I am happy with it. So yeah, that is my random number generator eyeshadow challenge. Or my version of it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I got a brainstorm when I filmed the previous outro where I forgot to put in my mascara, and that outro actually said, why not do an all shimmer eyeshadow challenge? I mean, guys, this could be a big challenge. This could be something. If you guys are keen to see that, hit that like button. Also, let me know down in the comments below. I can make it work. I can try and do that. But I'm very keen to do that. So actually, I'm gonna write this down. I'm gonna make a date for it and we're gonna film this. Let me know if you guys are interested because that would really, really help. Also, if you enjoyed the videos, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and a little bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And then I'll see you guys in my next video. So, drink coffee and be kind. See you.
you.